I mean, you mix yellow, yellow, red, red. No good, lo.
Yellow, yellow, red, red.
Yellow, yellow, and then red, red. Ayan, naglalaro po kami ng
And
train niya. Galing sa Japan. Oh, mix color. Mix color, ah. You mix the red, yellow, and green. Oh. Oh, you want like that. Then how to run that one? How to run? Oh. Okay. You know how to fix it? You don't need Tata Jen, right? Because you know how to fix it right now. You just hold it like that. And then push it. Alright. Good job, Quinton. You're a really big boy now. You don't need help, Tata. Okay. And then open. Let it run.
oh,
Yeah, it's 4 pieces old already. What color you will add? Color yellow? At the end? Which color? Red? You use the yellow one, ah. Oh, that one is not heavy?
no.
Okay. Oh.
Yellow, red, yellow, green, red.
Very good. Okay, it's perfect. Oh, let it run. Open. Okay. Go, 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 go. Go. Wow, so nice. How about the other one? Do you want to fix it? Do you want to fix the other one? Nanubra ang utok ni mo ba? Pinagsabay na niya yung tricolor. Wow. It's very what do you call that now? Very fast, huh? Because the yellow is new, right? So the battery is new. Okay. What are you trying to do now? So, ganito po yung ginagawa namin pag kahit na marami pa akong trabaho, pag gusto niya na maglaro kami, talagang naglalaro ako. Kaya isa din to sa nagustuhan ng amo ko, kahit babae daw ako, lalaki yung anak niya. Marunong ako makipaglaro sa anak niya. Oh. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay. Fighty. So you can play all together?
Oh,
Oh, bombs away. Oh, no. Pwede. Go. So, ayan po ang ginagawa namin. Naglalaro kaming dalawa. Dahil hindi pa dumating yung papa niya. Galing sa palengke. At tinawag niya ako dun sa kusina. Maglaro daw kami. So kahit na marami talaga akong trabaho, maghuhugas pa ako, maglilinis ng CR, mag-arrange ng bed nila, at magpapakulo ng tubig kasi pagdating ng papa niya magsasabaw. Magawa ako ng sabaw. Pero ayan, kailangan ko pa rin mag-spend time para sa alaga ko. Wow! Bombs away! Yay! Oh? What happened? What happened to your train? Bombs away! You check the other train now. You check the other train. No! Ayan, yung color yellow, yan yung bago nilang binili sa Japan. Pero yung green at saka red, yan yung mga luma niya. Mahina ng tumakbo. Oh, baby, you look at the train. At ako po yung nag-install ng ano na yan, railways. sa ibang railways araw-araw pag naglalaro siya. What happened? What happened? Why you remove it? Oh, relax first. Why you use only one ah? Why? Ganyan siya. Pinagtatanggal niya. Tapos pinagsasabay-sabay. Ginagawa niya. Ito yung araw-araw naming ginagawa pag wala siyang pasok. Dahil summer nila ngayon ay bakasyon. Kaya araw-araw kami magkasama dito sa bahay. At kauwi lang nila galing sa Japan. Ay, hindi kita isasama sa video dahil you're not allowed in the video. Your mommy not allow you to go to be part of the video. Right, Quinten? Your mommy not allow you to be a part of Tata's video. Okay. What happened? Why you stop? Why that one is not running? Oh no. The train is coming. The train is coming. Okay. Grabe yung pagka-miss niya sa akin kagabi. Talagang pagdating niya para siyang nakataranta. Talagang sinabi niya sa akin, kargahin ko siya. Tapos paikot-ikutin ko daw siya pag kinarga. Natuwa din yung tinatama niya kasi nga talagang pagpasok niya sa pintuan ay nagpapakarga agad siya. Tapos nung umupo din siya sa legs ko. Yakap-yakap niya ako, kaya tuwang-tuwa yung mga magulang yung tignan kaming dalawa eh. Oh no! Oh, check the other train. Check the other train. Wow! Kahit niligo ko siya kagabi, yakap pa rin siya sa akin sa banyo. Miss daw niya ako. Nakakatuwa tong batang ko. Balik pasukan na siya sa Magbabalik school na din siya sa August 15 yata ang balik nito sa paaralan. Bilis lang ng pasok nila dito. Walang isang buwan yung pahinga ng alaga ko. Almost 1 month lang yung pahinga niya. Oh no! At pagbalik school nga niya is na siya, nursery. Ay be, nursery na ba siya? Oo, nursery na siya. Oh no, remove the other tray na. Put in the other side, the tray na. Yan po ang aming mga ginagawa din. Hurry up! Ready? Give me the other one, baby, because I will put it. Give me the other one. Up! Get a long way! Ready? Oh! Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Yay! Dang dang dang! Dang dang dang! Dang dang dang! Dang dang dang! Oh no! Oh! Happy meal! You also. Dang dang dong, dang dang dong, dang dang dong. Why this one is so slowly You see? Oh, they are very angry now. Oh, this is very angry now. Hey! Oh, yeah, money popcorn. Oh, Hala! Pakatay na! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Hurry up! Woo! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no 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 no! Oh no 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 no! Oh no oh no no! Oh no 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 no!